Hi everyone, welcome to TT's Footprints. Today's recipe is a yummy fresh fruit cake that will totally melt in your mouth. If you're new to my channel and this is your first visit, hello and welcome. I do post such interesting and simple recipes every week. Please do subscribe to stay connected. Let's begin by making a sponge cake. You can follow any recipe for the sponge cake, but if you want to know the recipe I have followed, please do leave a comment below. I have used a 6-inch diameter tin. Leave it to cool on a rack and once cooled, cut it into two. You will observe how soft and spongy this cake has come out. Boil half a cup of water with 3 tablespoons of sugar to slightly soften the fruits used to decorate the sides of the cake as well as the centered layer. Remember to whip your cream to soft peaks before assembling your cake. Place the first layer of cake and drizzle sugar syrup on the top of it. I have used the same liquid that was remaining from cooking the fruits. Spread a layer of whipped cream on the top of this. Now layer it with your chopped fruits. Remember, I had cooked some oranges and peaches in the same liquid. Cover the fruits with another layer of whipped cream. Place the second slice of cake over it and press it firmly. Repeat the process of sugar syrup and a generous layer of whipped cream. Smooth the edges with a cake smoother and then place it in the fridge for an hour or two. Now decorate it as you like and enjoy this melt in your mouth, yummy fresh fruit cake. If you enjoy watching my videos and find them helpful, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for new notifications. Also do share them with your family and friends. Thank you for watching and meet you soon in my next one.